Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be opening up my June Look Fantastic box. This is my first video back after taking probably nearly 2 months off of filming. I went through a bit of a rocky road mentally, and whether I choose to talk about it eventually, I don't know. I was planning on talking about it and then I kind of got in my head about it, so maybe in the near future we will sit down and have a full conversation about it, but for now I kind of just want to pretend that I've not been here and just get back into regular uploads. So I thought in today's video we would open up the June Look Fantastic box because this one is really good. A little sneak peek. There's some really good brands in here, and honestly I'm being dead serious. I genuinely think that Look Fantastic is the best beauty box out there out of all the ones that are available, at least to me, in Ireland. If you don't know what this is it's a monthly beauty subscription box that you can sign up to for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, and you can either pay it all in one or on a monthly rolling basis. You can also cancel it at any point, and you can choose to just opt in for one box if you really like that box. But it's just a good way to try out new products and maybe also be introduced to new brands. So if you want to see what's in this month's June box, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm very excited to talk to you about is the Swede Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I know that this mascara is a lot of people's favorites. I personally have not tried it. Oh, look at this one. Do you see any bristles? So many people say this is their absolute favorite. One side literally has no bristles and the other side does. Okay, I'm very excited to give this a go. I'm not sure, where's my phone, and I can look up some details for you because I've not actually heard of anything like specific about this mascara, but I did not realize that there was literally practically 0 bristles on the brush. I don't know how this is gonna work for like lengthening. I feel like it'd be good for volume, but for lengthening I don't know if it would actually work. It's worth over €25. It's a full size. It says, with a nourishing formula and a unique wand that coats the entire lash, the Swede Lash Lift Mascara will lengthen and define your eyelashes from root to tip. Okay, so it does say it is going to lengthen. I don't know how much so with that wand, but you know what, we'll give it a go. And it is in the shade black, so there you go. The next thing that I'm very excited about is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. This is 0.3 fluid ounce. On the website it says it's worth over €13. It's a deluxe size. It says, start the day the right way with a shower and bath oil enriched with revitalizing grapefruit, rosemary and juniper oils. I love a good bath oil. Oh my god, that smells unreal. That literally smells like a spa. I've never had anything from Aromatherapy, but I have heard amazing things about this. I feel like this would be so nice, yeah, to put into your bath. It says add 2 cupfuls to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. I do definitely feel like this will be something I'll put in the bath to, you know, really like revitalize my body, but I'm very excited about this. Okay, the next product that we have is from Lana Lips. We've not had a Lana Lips one since I've like started this. So this is the first one. It's the Lana Lips Lip Scrub Coconutter. The box just looks like this, and then if I open it up, it says it's a hydrating and smoothing lip scrub. I'm guessing it's going to smell like coconuts. Yeah, it definitely does, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see the texture, but it's like a very dark grainy texture. I'm excited by this. I kind of get a bit weirded out with lip scrubs. Sometimes they can be a bit too harsh, especially because I've already really sensitive skin. But it says, oh, okay, so you either got it in 2 scents. You either got it in coconut or strawberry. I got the coconut one. It's worth over €10, and it says, prep your pout for any balm, gloss or lipstick. This lip scrub gently buffs away dead skin cells, leaving a smooth hydrated surface. I'm very excited to try this. It says, apply with your fingers and gently rub against lips for about 15 seconds. Dab away remaining scrub particles, leaving behind the balm. I do definitely think this would be very good, like if you do have dry lips and your lipstick just isn't sitting right, this would be a good way to like obviously smooth out your lips. Very excited about that. The next thing that I see in here is some Look Fantastic No Crease clips. You've got 2 black, and then in this one you have like 2 like animal print, camel print. It says that they're worth over €11. They're full size. It says whether pinning back to style or to protect from makeup and skincare, our hair clips will not damage your do while you get ready for the day. Oh, your do while you get ready for the day. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen better things in a box. However, I'm also a lover of these clips. I use them for when I'm getting ready. I use them when I'm like pin curling my hair and stuff like that. I do really like these. I like that they're these ones and not the long skinny ones because they snap quite easily. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. Yeah. The next thing that I see is by Beauty Pro. It's their warming eye mask. It's a relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask and it just looks like this. It says it's worth over €3. It says with a soothing chamomile scent and a self-warming design, get some much needed rest despite the light mornings with this luxurious eye mask. Are you meant to leave it on overnight? Oh, you hook it to the back of your ears. It says these self-warming eye masks are designed to help relieve tired eyes and create a calming moment. Individually wrapped, they are also the perfect travel companion. How to use. Unfold the mask and gently tear away apart the two ear loops by pulling apart the middle. Open the ear loops away from the mask, hook the ear loops over your ears and position the mask over the eye area. Relax and enjoy 20 minutes of gentle warmth over the eyes. I have heard someone say that they have worn this. I think it was it Miss Boo? I think she was saying she actually puts this on before she goes to bed and sleeps with it on. So you could do that. Maybe. I'm definitely going to give this a go. I'll definitely do it on one of the nights where like I'm feeling quite tired or my eyes just feel a bit heavy. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I love masks. I love getting masks because I hate buying masks. And then finally, we also have a product from Olaplex. This is their #9 Bomb Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I love getting products from Olaplex purely because they're so expensive. I personally don't get along great with the Olaplex #3 or the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I don't dye my hair. I don't do anything to my hair. My hair gets heat maybe once a week and I really just don't feel the need to have Olaplex, but I do really like their serum, and this is a little travel size. It is a nice small one. It's 20 mils. It's the Olaplex #9 Bond Protector Heat Protection and Frizz Reduction Nourishing Hair Serum. It's a deluxe size and it's worth over €7. An icon for a reason, Olaplex #9 works on all hair types and promises to protect from heat and pollution with a lightweight feel. Apply a small amount to damp, towel dried hair working upwards from ends to roots. Add more as needed. Air dry for soft texture, blow dry for a smooth finish, or diffuse for waves or curls. Okay, so you can't use this on dry hair. I don't tend to blow dry my hair a lot. I tend to naturally let my hair dry, as you can probably tell, hence why it's so frizzy. But I just don't feel the need to put heat on my hair. I never have. So yeah, I do love this though. I have tried it before. I've had a big version of it, but personally for me, we'll see how much I use it. So guys, that was the box for June from LOOKFANTASTIC. Let me know what you guys think of this box. The ones I'm most excited for are the aromatherapy bath oil, the sweet mascara, and probably the eye mask. I don't know, I just found, not last month's box, but the box before where we had like the brush cleaner, the 2 L'Occitane products. I don't know, I thought that box was a bit better. For June, I suppose coming into summer, yeah, I like it. I don't love it. I like it. It's a good box this month. And as always, I'm very excited for July's box. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!